Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and use the Udemy app, or access Udemy on your laptop. Let's get started. First, it's important to know that Udemy doesn't have a dedicated Windows app like it does for mobile. But don't worry, you can still use Udemy easily on your laptop through your web browser, and I'll also show you how to install it as a desktop shortcut. So let's begin. Open your browser, Chrome, Edge, or Brave, and go to www.udemy.com. Just once. You're there. Log in with your account, or create a new one if you haven't already. Now, if you're using Google Chrome, you can install Udemy as an app-like shortcut. Here's how. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to More Tools, then click on Create Shortcut. A small window will pop up. Check the box that says Open as Window, and then click Create. This will create a desktop icon that opens Udemy in a separate window, just like an app. If you're using Microsoft Edge, click the three dots, go to Apps, then click Install this site as an app. And that's it. Now, you can access Udemy directly from your desktop anytime, and it'll feel just like using a regular app. And that's how you get the Udemy experience on your laptop. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Drop any questions in the comments. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching.